So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use System Restore on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all, press Windows key on your keyboard and this will open Start menu. Now here search for System Restore and you will see this option called Create a Restore Point. Press Enter to open it. Now this will open System Protection tab in System Properties. And here you will see this button called System Restore. Click on it. And now you will see these two options. Recommended Restore and choose a different restore point. By default, you can go for Recommended Restore. But if you want a different restore point, then select this option. Now select any restore point. For example, this one. Now here click on Scan for affected programs. And this will show you all the programs and drivers that will be deleted or affected. Once you have checked all of them, click on Close. Now click on Next. Click on Finish and this will start performing System Restore. So this way I can use System Restore on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.